What is the maximum hydration method? The maximum hydration method is a hair care regimen typically comprised of 5 steps designed to increase moisture levels in the hair until max hydration is reached. If you're someone with low porosity hair, meaning the hair cuticles are tight and sometimes resistant to soaking up water and moisture, the 5-step regimen is said to hydrate, strengthen, and stretch curls while maintaining volume. So let's break this right on down. Here I am completing step 1, which is the Cherry Lola treatment. In this step, I put the recipe for the Cherry Lola treatment, which consists of 2 cups of organic plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons baking soda, 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of raw coconut amino acids or regular amino acids, a half tablespoon of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of unsulfured molasses, a half of an overripe banana, 3/4 tablespoons of avocado, and 1 egg. I don't know if you were paying attention, but I'm using this whole banana. I also use 2 eggs, and I also use 3 cups instead of 2 of the yogurt just because my hair is thick and long. So you can adjust according to your hair length, but these are all the ingredients to use. So we just want to blend all the ingredients together. And once I had everything blended, I poured it into a bowl, and it was a lot. I thought it was going to be too much, but I actually used it all, and I was very much surprised. So here I am with my hair. My hair was washed and dried on its own, and I just twist my hair up in sections after I had detangled it. You're supposed to apply the Cherry Lola treatment to clean, dry hair. So here's my hair with no product, and like I said, I previously washed it. So now I section my hair off in 4 sections, and then within each section, I section that section to begin applying this treatment. I want to point out, wear something that you don't care about and work in an area where if you weigh something on the floor, it's easily to clean up because this will get messy. So yeah, I just wanted to point that out. But yeah, so I went through each section and I saturated my hair with this treatment. I wanted to make sure all my strands were treated. No strand left behind. So the same thing I did to the other side of my head, I'm doing to this side. So just making sure it's detangled prior to putting in the treatment and then oversaturating my hair with this treatment. Now that I have completed adding the Cherry Lola treatment to each of the 4 sections, I am now going in with the remaining of the product and adding it all around my perimeter. I then put on a shower cap and later put on another shower cap just to help prevent this stuff from dripping everywhere. As you can see, it was a mess. But I let it sit in my hair for 2 hours. Yes, 2 hours. You let it sit for 1.5 to 2 hours. I let it sit for 2. Now I'm going in and I'm going to take my hair down and I am going to thoroughly rinse my hair with lukewarm water. This treatment is a intense protein treatment, but I want to point out that my hair was not feeling hard or anything like you get when you do like the Alpha G protein treatment. So just wanted to point that out. But yeah, I'm going in and rinsing with the lukewarm water, making sure to massage my scalp just to make sure I get all this product in. Now for the second step in this treatment is the clarifying step. I use half water, half apple cider vinegar, and I'm adding this to a spray bottle to saturate my hair. I want to point out in this step, You can also, if you don't want to do the apple cider vinegar, you have the option of doing a baking soda mix. For the baking soda mix, you'll mix 1.5 tablespoons of baking soda into 1/3 cup of conditioner. Whichever you decide to do for the clarifying step, either one, you leave both on for 30 minutes. So after I drench my hair with this apple cider vinegar and water mix, I put on a shower cap just to prevent the dripping, and I let it sit on my hair again for 30 minutes. So now in this step, I'm going to rinse my hair again with lukewarm water, and I'm going to go in with a protein-free co-wash. The importance of using protein-free products is in the first step, the Cherry Lola treatment, that was an intense protein treatment. So we don't want to use products with protein because we don't want protein overload. I took this co-wash, well, conditioner that I'm using as a co-wash, and I massaged it on my scalp, and then I ran it down my hair and thoroughly rinsed. Once my hair felt nice and clean, I went in and got the co-wash, the same one I used to wash my hair, the conditioner I meant, the Tresemme. Ooh, squirted in my face and my mouth. Okay. Anyway, so I applied a generous amount to my hair that I have sectioned off a little bit, as you can see here. So I'm applying a generous amount, and I'm going to detangle my hair. So once my hair was detangled, I applied a shower cap and I sat under a hooded dryer for 30 minutes. I'm now going in to rinse the remaining of the conditioner out of my hair, but as you can see, my hair is nice and moisturized. So I'm rinsing this out again with lukewarm water, a little cooler than it was at first, but still lukewarm water. I'm now going into step 4, making the bentonite clay rinse. Depending on your hair needs, you can mix the clay with honey and the oil of your choice. So my mix was 1 cup of the clay, 1.5 cups of warm water, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Just like step 1, the Cherry Lola treatment, the clay mask can be messy as well. So to ensure you get the best benefits, you'll want to separate your hair before applying this mask and just take your time. You don't want to have clay everywhere, and then it gets hard if it, once it sits. So just take your time when putting this in your hair and try to do it in smaller sections to prevent your hair from clumping and tangling. So just go through and take your time and make sure all your strands are treated. Once you complete applying this to your hair, you will leave this on for 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes is over, you would then rinse with lukewarm water. So here I am in the shower, rinsing this clay out. And I want to tell you that your hair does get hard when you put the clay on there. So when you're pulling your hair down to rinse, just be gentle. You don't want to pull your hair. Let the warm water run on your hair first just to get everything loosened. And once everything is loosened up, then you can begin to manipulate your hair. So yeah, so I'm just going in and massaging my scalp all around, just making sure that clay gets loosened and to make sure that I'm getting it off my scalp. I thought it was going to be harder to rinse the clay out, but it wasn't as bad as I thought. This was my first time using a clay mask on my hair, and I must say that I liked it. But yeah, so I'm going in and I'm making sure that this clay is like really out of my hair, off my strands, off my scalp, everywhere. So I'm thoroughly massaging my scalp and running my fingers down my hair. Okay, now we're going in with the last step. Yay! Step 5, applying the styling products. Again, I'm using protein-free products because we do not want protein overload. So for my products, I'm using Kinky Curly Not Today. I went in first with the Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. This conditioner has a lot of slip. It was easy for me to detangle my hair. And I also noticed that the conditioner, although it had a lot of slip, it did have a lot of moisture. You can feel like the oil from it. So I did like that. And as you can see, it was easy to detangle my hair. After I applied the conditioner all over, I then went in with Kinky Curly Not Today Styling Custard. This also had a lot of slip. But one thing I want to point out, my hair kind of felt like it had a film on it when I applied this product on top of their leave-in conditioner. I don't know if everyone has this issue with this product or mixing these two, but I would think since they're from the same line, it would not do that. But anyway, that's what I felt, but it wasn't too bad. My hair was nice and defined. I can say that. I don't know if it's because I'm styling in the shower, the extra water, or this maximum hydration method. Like, did it work wonders? Here's my hair with the styling products, and now I'm just ready to air dry. And I'm not going to manipulate my hair. Stop swinging, girl. Okay, we ready. I'm not going to manipulate my hair. I'm just going to let it air dry. And if it don't dry no time soon, I may sit under my hooded dryer for a little bit, pineapple, go to sleep, and catch y'all tomorrow with these results. I will be working out in the morning, so my hair shouldn't get messed up too bad. But I'll see y'all tomorrow, and we'll see what I'm working with. Hey, y'all. Good morning. Sorry I didn't come on here so fast in the morning because I woke up late and I had to go straight to work out. But I worked out in my bonnet, and my hair should be preserved enough. But yes, we're going to see these results. We're going to see these results, and we're going to see how the maximum hydration method worked for me. So yeah, let's take this bonnet off. And as you can see already, my curls are super clumped together and super defined. Probably got a little frizzy from me sweating, but y'all know how thick my hair is. But look how clumped it is. It just looks like little bitty hair. So I want to point out that my hair is super hydrated. This method did work really good. My curls are super defined, super clumped. So for anyone, I would say with type 4 hair, you're looking to achieve a more moisturized and defined, ultra hydrated wash and go, this would be the method I think that you should try. I think you will benefit from it. So yeah, these are my results. Let me turn around so you can see the back. They're probably a little messed up because I just threw my bonnet and my scarf, but you get the drift. So once I fluff this out, or I really don't like picking my hair because I like my wash and go to last forever. I let it get bigger every day, but I'm gonna have to separate these curls because they too together for me. But yeah, you can see that this method really works. So give it a try. Maximum hydration method. Bye, y'all. So this is my hair 2 days later. It began to fluff up on its own. I actually put my hair into a high bun the first day because my hair was extremely moisturized that it made it look like I was looking like Rick James. So I didn't like that look. So I just put it up. And then now that it's getting fluffy, I took it down. But I want to again point out this would be great for type 4 hair. My hair is type 3. But if you want that nice defined wash and go, ladies, give it a try. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.